Is the online t-shirt business dead? Is it really profitable to sell t-shirt online in 2018? Is Teespring really saturated? Are all the niches saturated? Are all the good designs gone? I get these questions a lot every single day on email, Facebook, Twitter. So I thought of recording a short video and discuss whether the t-shirt business is really dead and does it make sense to start an online t-shirt business in 2018. Let's get into this video. Hi, my name is Mubaid from T-Shirt Profit Academy and I help people become independent, be their own boss and make money online. I've been helping people sell t-shirts online for past 2 to 3 years. Lots of success stories, amazing results. There is one question which I get every single day in my email, and that is whether it's profitable to start a t-shirt business now. And I've been getting this email for past 3 years. And every day the question is it profitable to start the t-shirt business now? So here is a short video where we'll discuss whether it's profitable and does it make sense to start a t-shirt business online in 2018. So recently someone emailed me and asked me, do you think it's wise to start a t-shirt business now? Because I feel like a lot of people have already bought t-shirts and a lot of marketers have been selling t-shirts for a long time, and there are a lot of good marketers online. So I'm really interested in starting a t-shirt business online, make some money online, become independent, but I'm not sure whether it's wise to do this now. So I replied him and I asked him, do you think it's wise to become a doctor now? Because there are already hundreds of doctors, there are already thousands of doctors available and they have been treating patients for past so many years. So does it make sense? Do you think it's not profitable or it's not wise to become a doctor now? And I think he got the point. See, it's true for every single business. Before jumping into any business, a new idea or new venture, we get scared and we feel like there are a lot of people who are already experienced in this particular field, who are already successful in this particular field, who are already doing it for a long time. So do we stand a chance? Can we also become successful? So my short answer to this question is yes, it's definitely possible and definitely profitable to start a successful online t-shirt business and make a good living out of it. There are already hundreds of people doing it, there are thousands of people doing it, and why I'm saying that is because people have not stopped wearing t-shirts, right? Even though there are hundreds of marketers online who are already doing it, there are millions of people who are buying t-shirts online, who are wearing t-shirts online. So unless people stop wearing t-shirts, this business is not going anywhere. Here's another question. Is it as easy as it was 2-3 years back? The answer is maybe, maybe not. And I'll get into more details about it in a bit. But if you're really interested in starting your own online business, if you're interested in selling t-shirts online, here are my 5 tips. So tip number 1, get a good mentor or get into a good coaching program. See, I'm all about saving time. I'm all about saving time and getting to my result as soon as possible. So if I want to do something and I want to achieve some kind of result, and I know that it takes 30 days to learn that particular thing and achieve the desired result. And on the other hand, I know that if I hire someone or I pay someone, and by paying that or hiring someone or learning from someone, I can cut down that learning time from 30 days to 5 days and get that result sooner, then I will not hesitate a bit to spend my time, my money on learning that particular thing from that particular person. If you can achieve your results faster, why not do it? And this is a mistake I feel a lot of people make. They want to achieve certain results, but they don't want to learn from others. They want to have all those experiences themselves, right? Don't reinvent the wheel. See, if you can find a genuine mentor who is ready to teach you, it's really awesome, because that person has already gone through a lot of experiences. He has spent his time, he has spent his money, he knows what works, he knows what doesn't work. So you can avoid all those mistakes and reach your goals faster. Tip number 2, don't reinvent the wheel. When you're starting out, don't experiment Here's my tip which I give to all of my students when they join my course is, if you're not sure what kind of designs to make, what niches to target, don't reinvent the wheel. Look for what is already selling online. Look at the top selling, the best selling designs on a particular website and model that. I'm not saying to copy the exact designs as it is, but you can come to know which niches are selling really well, what kind of designs are selling really well, so you can make your own version and you can start marketing that. And the reason it works really well is because the person who is selling a lot of t-shirts online, who is in the top seller list, he has already done the audience research. There is already a validation available for you that this kind of design, this niche worked really well. So you don't need to spend your time or money in doing the research. Just look at what is already selling and get on that wagon and make amazing sales. Tip number 3, be unique and be different. Right, one of the most important points, not just in this t-shirt business, if you are doing any kind of business, don't copy exactly what others are doing. Be unique, be something different. If you're making a design, select a niche which no one else is doing. I'll give you an example. Look at this particular design, right? So this is the first design I created related to birthdays, and it was for all kinds of months, right? So legends are born in June, legends are born in May, legends are born in January, February. So for every month I created this design and it sold really well. And when others saw that this design is selling really well, they started copying it. So instead of being grumpy about it, being angry about it, I decided to do something little different and I created this design. Legendary doctors are born in January, legendary doctors are born in February, legendary doctors are born in March, for all the months. And then I started replicating it for all the niches, not just for doctors, engineers, mechanics, firefighters, teachers, name the profession, and I can scale this design to. And this is one of my top selling designs, and it has sold thousands of t-shirts of this particular design in hundreds of niches. So you have to be a little different, you have to be a little unique if you want to stand out from the crowd, and then you don't have to worry about competition. There will always be people who will try to copy you, who will rip off your designs, but they cannot rip off your creativity, they cannot rip off your brain. Tip number 4, set realistic expectations. Don't launch your first campaign and start planning to buy that Ferrari. People email me and message me saying, I started with this business a week back, I am making 5 sales per day, I'm making 10 sales per day, and I'm really disappointed. How can I reach $1,000 per day? How can I reach $5,000 per day? And I tell them, scale slowly. When you're starting out, focus on learning as much as possible. Set gradual goals. Your first goal should be to make your first sale. No matter what you do, your first target should be making that first sale. Profitable, loss, I don't care. Make that first sale, and that first sale will feel amazing. It will give you the initial momentum to carry on with this business, right? So make your first sale. Next target should be to make your first 5 sales. And as soon as you make your first 5 sales, set a target of making 5 sales per day. Once you're consistent with making 5 sales per day, then start scaling it. 5 to 10 sales per day, 10 to 20 sales per day, 20 to 50 sales per day, and like that you will grow your number of sales. So don't expect that you start with this business and as soon as you do that, you launch your first campaign and in your first day you'll make 10 sales or 50 sales. I'm not saying it cannot be done, but if you keep your expectations right, it will give you a very good momentum. You will have consistency and you will have confidence going forward. Tip number 5, be persistent. Very important tip, in not just in t-shirt business, any kind of business or any aspect of life. Any business, whether it's an online business, offline business, your any kind of growth, it does not happen like this. There will be hardly anything in life which goes like a straight trajectory. There will always be up and down, up and down, up and down, and this is how you grow. When you are at down, when you are at lowest point, some days you will not make any sales, but don't give up. Don't give up. Use your learning, whatever you're learning, whatever you're experiencing, whatever you're doing, learn from those experiences, note them down, reach out to your mentor if there is anything you can do to improve your results. And trust me, very soon from here you'll go here, right? And so don't give up, be persistent. That is one of the most important point. So these are the 5 tips I suggest to all the newbies who want to start in this t-shirt business. So tip number 1, find a good mentor, find a good coaching program, and reduce your learning time. Get to those results as soon as possible. Point number 2, don't reinvent the wheel. See what's already selling and model that. Point number 3, be unique, be different, and you will do wonders. Point number 4, set realistic expectations and grow steadily. Point number 5, be persistent, don't give up, and you will definitely achieve results. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or message me on Facebook. I would love to help you out. I'll be coming up with more videos, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're interested in learning from me directly, you can check out my coaching program, T-Shirt Profit Academy. I will link it down below in the description. This program has helped hundreds of students achieve amazing results, and they have used the teachings of Facebook ads from the course in not only selling the t-shirts but for other kind of venture. So if you are interested in that, check out the link in the description below. Feel free to email me, message me anytime. I would love to help you out. And that's it for this video. See you soon.